We, as Fujitsu Laboratories in general, in global, we have R&Ds across from the chipset to server to supercomputer to devices to application and services. However, having said that, within Fujitsu Laboratories of Europe, we have four main research activities and interests. The first one is on the big data, and mainly on the big data analysis element, and also is on the link open data. You know, now several governments are working on the open data, and consequently this is the type of research we are working on. The second one is on the supercomputer or the high-performance computing applications and services. And the two areas we are working on now for the time being is the climate modeling. It's not really to model the weather, but to use the climate modeling to provide better services and solutions to our customers, government, institutions, and even human beings, our normal people. And the second applications we are considering is on the healthcare, like the heart modeling, on the drug discovery, and so on and so forth. The third area is on the next generation ICT, or what people call as the fifth generation systems. And this is, we are working on this with partners, with research institutions and universities. That technology which we demonstrated earlier is called the fingertip technologies, and that technology uses a normal scanner with a normal camera. But you don't need to have a major investment to do that. It's the only thing is you have cameras and scanner. And what is that is that the camera detects the movement of a finger, not a hand. Because if you put more than two fingers, or more than a finger, the camera detects that it's more sensing element, and consequently will stop to make sure to minimize the noises and the interference. Now, depending on that finger placement, you can copy and cut and paste some of the documents and create either a new brochure or more customized and personalized information. One, this is for the travel agencies, for example. The second thing is we know in the brainstorming, you have a couple of brainstorming, you have stickers on the wall. Then what you do is through your fingers, you create that, you copy that, and you create potentially your PowerPoint slide, your material out of that. And this is how it's very easy, but we need to work on solution and services with our customers and colleagues. So it's normal power. You don't need to have a supercomputer behind that. I think the next is definitely we are talking about more power, more computing power, and more computing power. We are now even people talking, and Fujitsu is very active on the next generation supercomputer on the exascale. You know that Fujitsu developed the petascale, on the petaflop elements. Now we are working on the exascale, but the exascale we are talking about is not normal evolution of the hardware and the memory, but it's also is a power efficient exascale. How we can minimize the power and optimize the power efficiency for the next generation supercomputer. I don't think so. I think that it is the computing capability, of course, need to be there. But it will be, the computing power will be there for the data analytics elements.